Want to make money online just by writing? Copywriting is one of the highest paying skills, and platforms like Upwork make it possible even if you are a total beginner. In this video, I will walk you through exactly how to start making money with copywriting on Upwork even with no experience. Let's go. First of first of all, what is copywriting? It's not copyright law. Copywriting is writing words that sell. Think product descriptions, ads, landing pages, email campaigns. If a business wants to make sales, they need a copywriter, and yes, they will pay you to do it. So, why Upwork? Because it's one of the biggest freelance platforms with thousands of copywriting jobs posted every week. Yes, there's competition, but if you follow the right strategy, even as a beginner, you can land your first client and grow fast. Start by building a strong profile. Title: keep it simple, like beginner copywriter, engaging and persuasive sales copy. Overview: talk about benefits, not yourself. Example: I help small businesses turn readers into buyers through engaging and clear copy, where it's for websites, ads, or product descriptions. Skills: add skills like copywriting, email marketing, SEO writing, product descriptions. Portfolio: not clients yet, create mock samples. Write a fake landing page or an ad for a made up brand. Just show what you can do. Now search for copywriting job. Click find work. Filter, then search for copywriting. Filter by entry level and hourly or fixed price. Mention the client's name if listed. Reference the job post directly. Offer a short value based pitch, like click on apply job. In cover letter, for example, like, hi Sarah, I saw you are looking for product descriptions that sell. I would love to help. I have written similar copy for skincare products mock project attest. I can deliver 5 descriptions in 24 hours. Let me know if you want a sample rewrite. Keep it short, give value, and attest sample from attachments. Then Select duration like less than 1 month, 1 to 3 months. Then answer this question. Are you available today? Finish task. Yes. Do you have a tablet to write with it? Yes or no? Do you have good notes? Yes. As a beginner, it's okay to small, but don't undersell yourself. Start at 10 to 24, $20 per hour or 20 to $50 per project for short tasks. As you gain reviews and confidence, increase your rates. Remember, clients aren't just paying for writing, they are paying for results. When you land a gig, communicate clearly, deliver on time, and go the extra mile. Use Grammarly or Hemingway app to polish your writing. Send your copy in clean, easy to read format, PDF or Google Docs. Ask for a 5-star review. If they happy, it helps you get future jobs faster. Copywriting on Upwork is one of the best ways to start earning online. No degree, no fancy tools, just your words, a bit of hustle. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more freelancing tips, and drop a comment if you want more review tutorial. And thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.